I have this idea. I would like to start a YouTube and I will unbox a Blythe from Japan every week and then style it and pair it with one of my luxury bags. Hi, I'm Jen. Welcome to Blythe and Bags. And today we're going to be unboxing Feel the Sky, Longing for Love. Any lover finesse, bijou brilliant, cream cheese and jam. You are for me. Adachi Yumi Blythe, simply delight. Doronjo meets Blythe. Lavandula Babe. Donna Donut. UFO A Go-Go. Brenda's Extraordinary Day. Kendra the Bibliophile. Flower Girl of Happiness. Sea Sailor C. Urban Fairy Ellie. Hello again, Junie Sony Cutie. Fanny Flamingo. And there she is, just a little roller. And I'm gonna go ahead. I always laugh. I apologize. Okay, well, here she is with her hat and her flamingo pool float and the sunglasses. So cute. And I love the hair with little flips on it. It's adorable. She is absolutely adorable. And I can't stop laughing. We've seen the Blythe. Now let's see the bag. This is a 2017 Louis Vuitton by Kansai Yamamoto. It is the Speedy 30, the kabuki print in the Speedy 30. This is a 2018 Louis Vuitton Tuileries de Face bag and a vintage bag from 2001. It is from the Graffiti collection, the Steven Sprouse designed Graffiti collection for Louis Vuitton when Marc Jacobs was the creative director. And here is the bag. From the Kansai Yamamoto collection for Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton by Yayoi Kusama collection that came out in 2023. So this is the Louis Vuitton Never Full. And it has pumpkins on both sides. This is the multicolor Speedy 25. Marc Jacobs Tokyo City tote bag. So here's the bag up close. As you can see, there's the iconic Marc Jacobs flower. And this is the Louis Vuitton by Yayoi Kusama. This is the Neo This is a 2007 Louis Vuitton Handbag PM in Damier Ebene. Speedy, soft, 30, crafty. This is a 2006 Louis Vuitton Epi Leather Segura bag. It's in red, of course. And this was under the creative director Marc Jacobs, and he was the creative director of Louis Vuitton from 1997 until 2014. Louis Vuitton 1997 Melchers bag in Damier Ebene. Louis Vuitton by Yayoi Kusama. This is the Speedy 25. Thank you for watching.